They want you to write x times the square root of 5y all raised to the 23rd power using a rational exponent. And I'm going to scroll up here because there's a little formula that says a rational exponent or a rational number is a number you can express as a fraction. And so if you have the nth root of a to the m power, that is the same thing as a to the m over n power. There was a earlier, let's see, maybe in a previous class, if you had the nth root of x, that is equal to x to the 1 over n power, because there's really a 1 right here. So like if I had the cubed root of x, that's the same thing as saying x to the 1/3 power, or vice versa. If I had the 5th root of 3, that's the same thing as 3 to the, to the 1/5 power. But now they're throwing in an exponent. So instead of just the cube root of x, it's the cube root of x to the squared. That is now your numerator right here. So the root is the denominator, and the numerator, which was a 1 right here, because it was an invisible 1. I mean, you don't write that 1. It's invisible. It's just x. But it was this invisible 1 is where that 1 was coming from. So when I'm looking at this, let me grab a highlighter here. I'm taking the square root, okay? The square root, that means there's really an invisible 2 right here. And it's the square root of all of this raised to the 23rd power. So you still have this x, and you still have the 5y in parentheses, but now instead of a square root, the 23 is being divided by the 2. Okay, and that's going to be fun to type in. So I'm going to click on this. Man, it is not giving me, I hate it when they're not giving me the option to type it using the equation editor, because this is a real pain in the butt to type. Okay, let's see. Somewhere it tells you how to do it. I guess it was in the introduction. See if I can remember this. It's going to be x parenthesis 5y parenthesis, and then it's this for an exponent. But because my exponent is a fraction, I have to put it in parentheses and put 23/2 and close it. Okay. Oh, okay. So what did I do wrong? The power is 23. The root is 2. So the rational exponent will be 23 over 2. We get x equals x times 5. Oh man. It says include a multiplication sign between symbols. When you use the equation editor, you don't have to do that. All right, so I got to go back. I have everything they have. Look at that. I have the x, I have the 5, I have the y, I have the blah, blah, blah. What am I forgetting? These stupid little dot thingies. I have to use asterisks. Let's see, number 8 on my keyboard. If I shift and hit 8, I get that. And then they want one here too. That's stupid. Sorry. I like the equation editor so much better. So I didn't read the directions. It says right here, include a multiplication sign between your symbols. Blah, blah, blah. All right. So that's that one. Sorry, I keep hitting my mouse over here on the board.